Alright, what is going on, everybody? It's Boy, we're back on another video. I'm with Matt Mako. We're gonna be doing a muffler delete on the EP3 Type R. Matt wants to get an exhaust eventually, so I thought this would be fitting to see, you know, how loud it's gonna be day to day. Yeah. And to see if he actually likes it.
It'll probably sound like shit, but good shit. Price is nice.
I think it'll actually sound pretty good.
One way to find out, at least. So.
Yeah, exactly. Your steering wheel?
Yeah, this thing's just like crocodile cockskin, man, honestly. That's pretty much the best way to describe it.
Crocodile cockskin, I like that. Oh my god, dude. I'm gonna break my neck. Reddit didn't bring the jack, but we did. I think you put that in there.
You look right over there.
The old GoPro fell over. Anyways, this is our setup. It's kind of sketchy, but it's actually working really well. It's solid, so I'm gonna leave the jack there just for added support. Some lube would be nice. Spit on it. For the boys.
Drive it.
One of them doesn't break loose.
One hanger down.
And she has the muffler now. It's a great muffler. So let's set it down. Get on the ground all fours, and let's start it up, see how she sounds. So this is with the muffler off, just, oh my god, dude, it sounds so good. Rev it. Fuck yeah. Oh my god, dude, it sounds so good. Damn. Holy shit, dude. Oh, it sounds so good. Shut the fuck up, Paul.
Holy shit. Oh man, it backfires like a bitch. This thing is fucking loud.
That's fucking awesome, dude.
God damn, just the sound of it going to VTEC just cracks me up, man.
Yeah. And it's not like too droney either.
No.
Like that's definitely doable, 100%.
Do you want a coffee or anything or anything like that, or?
Man, yeah, that'd be great actually.
Yeah, man.
Oh my god, dude, I love it.
It doesn't sound raspy.
Oh yeah, painted the fence.
I thought you had the drive-through window.
Oh my god, that'd be funny.
You ever know what what's it called? Drive-through fire in the holes?
Oh yeah, I painted that fucking pole just now. Oh, what'd you say, sorry?
Fire in a hole. You know what that is?
No.
You're going for the drive-through, you chuck the drink back at someone.
Holy shit.
Yeah, it's a big thing. He's doing jackasses. Fire in a hole.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
That's your hot chocolate.
Okay.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Look at that, M3.
That's pretty nice.
Nice, actually.
Decent. I got some boogers in my nose, but I don't care about them.